Cecilly.
I'm her mom.
I'm her daughter.
Welcome to This Made Up Life.
What are we doing today?
Well, we are really excited because the holidays are coming.
Woo! Love the holidays.
And there are a couple of things that I love about the holidays. One is you get a chance to get dressed up.
Ooh, yeah.
Another one is that it's a fun time of year to do crafts and stuff with other people. It's, you know, I have these visions in my mind of an opportunity when like my grandbabies get a little bit older and they want to come over and have like a weekend at Gigi's house to make crafts for Christmas.
Cute. That'll be the day. Can't wait.
Good 5 years away. But, so I'm getting ready. But so what we thought is today, just for a really quick video, we're going to show you how to glam up some clips, hair clips. Hair clips are a really big trend right now. You'll see them everywhere. And you know what? They're super easy to make, and they're also really fun to kind of personalize.
Yeah.
It'd be a great girls' night.
Yeah, girls' night.
Great way to make a quick gift that's really personal.
Yeah.
I think there's a lot of ways.
Yeah, there are.
Cecilly, tell us how
So we're going to
start
show you
with.
how to do it. We just discovered parchment paper. If you've never heard of it, it's called parchment paper. You can get it at the grocery store. And we just kind of folded ours, little strip, folded it in half, and then we're using this as like our canvas or like blank.
Yeah, just
slate.
underneath, because what we're going to do is we're using hot glue. So if you're working with kids or if you're a little bit worried about getting burned, which I've already done today.
Don't use the hot glue.
Or you can use hot glue, but you can also get the gloves.
Oh, the heat protecting
the little
gloves.
heat protecting gloves or
Yeah.
the little finger things. One of the things that we're trying out with this is colored craft glue. So we've got one that has clear, but we've also got some hot glue in some glitter colors. You can get it with glitter, or you can get it where it's just matte, but it in metallic colors.
Oh, can I have the red one? That's fun. Except, do I have to go through all this glue to put the new one
No.
in?
Okay, so you're just gonna pull that one out, and then
Work smart on her.
put this guy in there,
Well, would you look at that?
and then you'll just push out the extra
Clear.
clear until, wow, here it comes.
Come on. So I'm
So-
using red.
We've got some clear, we've got some glitter. We picked up these clips. We've got like the alligator style. We've also got the kind of, I always call them pin curl clips, but that's because I'm old. And then this is like a larger alligator style. We picked these up at the craft store, at Joann's.
We call it Jody's because
We call it Jody's.
one time, Tyler, I would go to Joann quite often to get craft supplies. And Tyler was always like, wait, are you going to Jody's? And I'm like, it's Joann. And he's like, it's Jody's. And so from then on,
Now it's Jody's.
It's Jody's.
So if we refer to Jody's, we're sorry, we mean Joann's.
me and Joann.
So we just picked up the clips at the craft store.
They're in the hair, like the clothing embellishment section.
Okay.
So it has like let's see, I was just on it today. It has like the patches and the fabric paint. That's the section for you.
So we've got a couple of different kinds. We've got a variety of beads, some rhinestones. I even pulled up some buttons. I mean, you can use anything. Now, this was my first attempt, and the thing I love about the colored hot glue is that, especially on these little flat clips, you can let the hot glue kind of spill over on the sides, and it helps to hold your embellishments, but it just like that, and I put it in my hair, but
He's hot.
I can't see it. The trick to this one is you want to be careful what you're putting where it bends up, because right there those are gonna be more apt to fall off. You could also use E6000. Oh my gosh, Cecilly, that's so cute.
I know. I need to fix it though because it's not
perfect, but
It's not perfect. But
show them what it
show
looks
'em.
like, because it's so cute.
the idea.
Such a fun way to do a quick and easy gift. I'm always looking for ways to make gifts because I just really into this sustainable thing. Why buy new stuff
new
when
stuff.
you can make something out of something you've already got?
I need to do the first $2 again. But I wrote mini because we're going to Disneyland at the end of the month, and that's exciting. So
All of us.
mini, all
Our
the
whole
entire
entire-
Scott
our
Hart family.
Scott Hart family.
It's going to be a hoot. Some of us are driving in a 15-passenger van. That'll be memory making for sure. Anyway, mini. So it's just the smaller alligator clip, and I just used the colored hot glue and used the
That's so cute,
The
and it just
letters.
really made those letters
right,
pop.
just pop a little bit. I didn't have to do any extra like beads around the edge or something. So, but I didn't do the beginning so well, so I'm gonna redo it.
Redo it. Well, I just love this. I love the way that you could create something that would go, you know, there are so many of these fun rhinestone embellishments.
Yeah.
And you could do something simple where you just put one thing on the end. If you've got that one lonely earring that you're missing
that, like,
its mate,
locks. That's really smart, actually.
this is a great way to use it up. And again, this would be a really, really fun activity to do with kids. I'm loving the colored hot glue.
I know, it's awesome.
Because it just gives you a little bit extra. It's just a little extra.
Something. Thanks for using all gold hot glue.
I have more.
Ah.
But look how simple. That took me 5 seconds. And this is going to be a fun little clip. I'm not going to pull it off the paper yet because when we use hot glue, it heats up the metal. But honestly, this is a really, really fun and quick way to create a gift, create something special to wear for a holiday.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Wait till you see mine. Mine is, wow, the bomb. It's beautiful. Pom-poms or patches or dried flowers or, you know, there's like, you name it, you can put it on a clip.
Yeah,
It's kind of
really
like that
cute.
thing from Portlandia that put a bird on it. I don't know if any of you have seen Portlandia. You can put a bird on anything and then it instantly becomes hipster.
Okay, this is adorable and so simple.
You know, isn't that cute? The little
Just a little, we just
patch.
used a patch. Where if you have ordered one of our t-shirts, you probably got a cute embroidered patch. Now you can stick it on a pin.
There you go. There you go.
Now we know that a lot of you might not have the supplies to create something like this. And so we want to throw this out there. If you would like us to put together kits, if you wanted a kit to make 3 or 5 clips, we'd be happy to do that because we have all this stuff. So comment below or send us a DM. That's really pretty.
Yeah, DM us if you want to make this bad boy. I'm just gonna put it right in front of my head.
Wow, that turned out really great. And hi,
It turned
Done.
out really great.
no,
She sounded surprised.
I wasn't surprised. I just meant that really looks beautiful.
Wow, that turned out really great. Good work.
I love this.
Yeah, isn't that
This is
cute?
so stinky cute.
Yeah.
All right, so that's what we have for you today. We want you to stay tuned. We are going to be offering a big special on
A Thanksgiving special.
Thanksgiving special on our t-shirts. Woo, coming up. But let us know if you want to make some of these, and let us know if you try it. We would love to see what you make.
Yeah. Thanks, everybody.
Thanks for watching.
See ya.
Bye.